guys, it's me Mousree and welcome back to Mousree. So today I'm going to tell you that how to make the exercise game in Scratch. So I made it for Scratch Camp and the Scratch Camp. I loved it and let's see that what is the game. So first of all, let's start this. And you guys can see that there is also an year mentioned here. This exercise should be over here and then you can see the results or I don't know anything much more, but the year refers to which year you are, and that makes sense something. And there is easy, medium and hard. Easy is less smaller, medium is bigger and hard. Well, first see that whatever easy, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you guys can just to wait later. Well guys, so there is again I'm telling that easy, so there is a sound here. I don't know if it's good. Okay, now if someone don't like this sound, then off this sound and it will be as that as one. And let's see, after 10 seconds it will change, okay, and that is the best part, I think so. And I really love this. Look, and this is really easy and can do I think everyone. Let's go to the harder one. Well, now when I click medium, it's like camel pose. Off. Now when the hard is really too much, you have to go to easy, medium, then it will come if you can. I can't say that. It's like impossible. And guys, let's see the tutorial. Actually, I need 9 sprites accord and width of the thumbnail. Let's the easy sprite, the costumes, all the costumes of costume, no, there's only one costume of middle, and this is the code. This is the code of hard. You can stop guys because I'm really doing quick and oh my gosh. Sprites, I really made it and you guys can get it from Google for free. This is a easy, or no, this is a thumbnail one, not thumbnail, it's thumbnail in game, like easy, medium, right? Okay. And this is a hard thumbnail. I did write here hard, okay, write here hard. And it's the medium one. It's as usual easy. And this is the button 3, means the home button. It's the for telling me that this is the home, and this is the thumbnail. Well, let's see the thumbnail. What is the infraction of thumbnail? What is the definition of thumbnail here? Like when I click here, then it starts like this. It looks like an exercise game. I'm gonna tell you. Let it load, and okay, so you guys can see I think that this is loading project, and now 1 2 3 go. Okay. 1 2 3 go. Well, this is a thumbnail, but when I click it there is no thumbnail. That's the way thumbnail occurs. It's also occurs in YouTube. In my video there is also thumbnail, and I also use the arrows. Okay guys, I think that you love the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye guys, take care. Bye guys, take care. Bye.